The Google Pixel 6 Pro is designed to take on the big guns of Apple and Samsung, and it succeeds. The design of the Google Pixel 6 Pro is the most unique element of this handset, with a camera band that spans the entire width of the phone and houses its powerful new camera array. It's a look you'll either love or hate, and Google has paired the design with some bold colour choices for those who are bored of smartphones that look like small grey rectangles. Google's display technology is particularly impressive, and we guarantee that this is one of the best smartphone displays that you've ever used. It offers great picture quality, the brightness levels are consistently impressive, and it's huge at 6.7 inches. The new Tensor chipset inside the Google Pixel 6 Pro has been positioned as Google's crowning achievement, although we've yet to see any significant improvement over phones that use more traditional chipsets. It isn't necessarily bad, but the differences weren't noticeable during our review period. It's still easily powerful enough to boot up your favourite apps and games, and that's really what matters. The Pixel 6 Pro's camera setup is another highlight, offering a versatile experience that allowed us to shoot a variety of subjects in any way possible. The main camera sensor is a step up from what we've seen from Google before, and new software upgrades only heighten the experience. The Pixel 6 Pro's battery life is passable, although the phone won't last much longer than a single day. It comes with fast charging and wireless fast charging technology, but neither of these are particularly impressive either. While the Pixel 6 Pro isn't the best smartphone money can buy right now, it comes pretty close with a lot going for the next-gen Android headliner, and this is its latest achievement. A particularly strong camera, a fantastic screen, and a great software experience all add up to be a top-tier package. It doesn't sport the best battery life or power, but that likely won't impact you if you opt for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 6 Pro starts at $899 for the model with 128GB of storage. It'll also come in a 256GB variant, but we're yet to find out how much that handset will cost. It's a decent price when compared to other top-end handsets, but it's still one of the more expensive smartphones that you can buy. You may want to look elsewhere if your budget is tighter. Thanks for watching our Google Pixel 6 Pro review. If you want to read our full, more in-depth written review, then you should head to TechRadar.com right now.